Yo guys, Urban Gardener here, and I'm in the veg tent, which has the bottle of TNB enhancer going in here, and I wanted to show you guys how the $47 hydro system from Lowe's is doing. What I have here, guys, is my do-it-yourself hydro system from Lowe's. I bought all the parts at Lowe's Hardware for $47, assembled it. I do have the video, and I will insert it right up there in case you want to check out how to build this hydro system. What I've got in here right now is 3 of my banana blueberry Kush auto regulars. I'm hoping that I get at least 1 female, 1 male, and then I'll go ahead and breed that. Then over here I have a real ugly blue dream clone that I'm hoping will settle in and start growing nicely. We'll see. But this hydro system is running with FOOP. That's right, FOOP Bioorganic Sciences on Instagram. They have sponsored the nutrients for this. It is aquaponics in a bottle. So we're seeing what this aquaponics in a bottle will do under the TNB enhancer as well. So first things first, let's thank TNB for sponsoring the enhancer in the room. Secondly, let's give a big shout out to @FOOP Bioorganic Sciences on Instagram for sending me out the FOOP to the garden. And it is the aquaponics in a bottle. So we got a aquaponic hydroponic system kind of going here. And so far so good with the FOOP, I have to say. And that is all growing under the sponsored Niello LED Cree Cob. It's got 2 Cree Cobs and 2 infrareds in it. And that is what's running the $47 Lowe's hydro system at the moment. This could end up at finishing as an outdoor project, but that's okay. It's autos, and that's why I set it up as autos. And then the blue dream back there's a photo, but she doesn't really matter. She's just for fun. With that, guys, I say keep happy, stay stoned, and urban garden.